For millions of years, all living things on Earth drank water that had been in contact with the soil. This water was saturated with humic acids. It was humic acids that transformed water from a simple solvent into an active biological medium. They changed its structure and allowed it to instantly penetrate cells. But civilization decided that water should be sterile. We purified it, but along with it, we removed life itself. Today, we drink empty water. Cells do not recognize it. Modern water does not have the key to enter the membrane. You can drink 3 liters a day, but your cells will die of thirst and toxicosis. The deficiency of humic acids is an invisible epidemic, the scourge of the 21st century, which people prefer not to talk about. Quinta Essentia is not a supplement. It is the return of water to its natural essence and the quenching of cell hunger. We're bringing back the very conductor that makes water bioavailable. But for Quinta Essentia to work perfectly, it needs the right foundation. You can't pour premium fuel into a rusty tank. Now we'll choose the perfect base. Let's go find some water. Before we talk about quality, let's ensure quantity. Your blood is like a river. If the water level drops, the river turns into a swamp. Thick blood does not carry oxygen. It wears out the heart. The physiological constant is strict: 30 milliliters of water for every kilogram of ideal weight. Coffee, tea, soup, these are food. The body needs to expend energy to extract moisture from them. We are only talking about pure water. This is the basis. Now about the enemies. Tap water is technical water. Chlorine is a powerful oxidizer. It not only destroys your cells, it instantly kills humic acids. Dissolving Quinta Essentia in tap water means destroying the product. Carbonated drinks. Remember, carbonated water does not exist in nature. Carbon dioxide is a preservative that acidifies water. You are drinking acid. Your cells are trying to expel CO2 and you are pouring it back in. Water should be still, always. How to choose the perfect foundation. Look for the line total mineralization on the label. Less than 50 means it's distilled, which is harsh and washes away your minerals. More than 500 means the water is already overloaded with salts. We need the golden ratio, a range of 150 to 200 milligrams per liter. Why 150 to 200? Imagine that water is a truck. If it is already filled to the brim with hard minerals, it is impossible to put anything useful in it. In hard water, the active molecules of Quinta Essentia will spend their energy fighting calcium in the glass rather than working inside you. Water with a mineralization of 150 to 200 milligrams per liter has free capacity. It is physiological, but it has enough space to accept Quinta Essentia and deliver it to the cells in an active form. We take this light, quiet water and we add Quinta Essentia. Watch how it unfolds. No ion competition. The extract instantly structures the entire volume. Now, it's not just water. It's the transport system your cells have been waiting for in millions of years. It goes inside, cleanses the membranes, and starts life. Your task: check your water. Throw away the soda. Find a light base with a mineralization of 150 to 200 and activate it with Quinta Essentia. You will feel the difference in just 3 days. In the next issue, we will discuss toxic fatigue, why you burn out even without working. Subscribe. It's your biology.